Hey guys, thanks for watching today. Today we're going to replace the dome light in my 2006 Corolla. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and comment. It'll help move this video to the top. I really appreciate it. Okay, well, let's check it out. Okay guys, here it is. You know, you got the permanent on when the door is open, and then I'm just going to turn it to off so it's not blaring me in the eye while I'm trying to do this. You can kind of push on one side and like get your fingers underneath this, the cover here. I find it easiest if you get it from like this side. You can kind of pop it off just like so. It's got these 4 little clips here that hold it in place. All right, I'm gonna set that down. This is the bulb here. These can be a little bit of a pain to get out. There's a clip here and a clip here. You gotta, and this clip pushes back resistance this way to hold this bulb in place. This one does not move. So you gotta move this clip way out of the way like so. And then the bulb will kind of drop out and you can pull it out. Here, let's make sure you guys can see this. This is a Sylvania part number. Let's see here. 3175. Okay. I don't know. I bought these at Walmart. They were less than $5. So we're going to go ahead and reinstall this one back in. It's okay, but I wanted to show you guys how to do this. So we're going to go ahead and reinstall this. Okay. So when you put this in, either side can go in here on this side first. This is the stationary piece that does not move. This is the one that bends. So we're going to put it in the stationary side, the little hole there. And then we're just going to push. You can put a little resistance on the clip if you want. And just push this up until it sinks into place there. There's a little hole on this clip too, about halfway up. So once you have that in there, you can verify it's secure, verify it works there. And we're going to put it back to the off position. And then to reinstall the cover, same deal, just put it in place. I'm putting on one of the ends first here. And then just push in. You can see where the clips are when you're looking at this. And we're just pushing the clips back into place. All right, there we go. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and comment. It'll help move this video to the top, and I would appreciate it if you guys have the time checking out my other videos. Give them all a thumbs up, and thank you, and have a good day.